In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to activate a beacon in Minecraft. So first of all, we want to do, this is going to be a Bedrock version, but it's going to work in Java and all the other versions too. I'm going to go click play. I'm going to go to my special world here. This world is like sort of glitched because I can get creative and achievements at the same time, so I can like spawn myself items in. So it's pretty cool. If you want to find out how to do that, I've also got a video on the channel about it. So I'm in creative right now and I've got achievements, which is pretty cool. So what I want to do is I want to go in and we want to select a block type. Now I believe the blocks you can use for this, I'm pretty sure you can use gold, iron, I'm not sure about copper, emerald, diamond, quartz. I think those are all the ones you can use. The easiest obviously is going to be iron. So to do a simple one, you just need a little 3x3 like this, and you want to get yourself a beacon block and just place it on the top, and that's going to turn it on. But it's not activated yet, so to activate it, all I want to do, these are the ones you can do. So you can do iron, gold, diamond, emerald, or netherite. So right now we can get one of these two. So we can get speed, we can get haste. So let's say we want speed. We would put a diamond. Oh, we need to put a diamond. We can't do a block. Diamond. There we go. We'd want to put a diamond in here. And this is sort of like the power source for it, if you like. This is the power source. I'm going to click here. I'm going to click here, and now it's using this to get speed. And you can see I can get speed. So it kind of takes diamonds as the currency. Now, you can see that there's these ones here. So I'm going to show you how to get all of these. The way you do this is you make them a bit bigger. So this is a 3, which you can see here. 1, 2, 3. This one needs to be 5, 3, and 1. So if I get myself some diamond blocks again, I can go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Okay. I mean, this needs to be fully solid like this. Then we can put another layer in here like this. Boom. We can put a beacon on top, so that's an even bigger one. Now I can use resistance or jump boost, place a diamond in there, and I can pick like now which one do I want. I can get resistance, jump boost. Let's say we want jump boost. I'll have jump boost, so now I can jump high, and I can also run fast. I've got 2 of achievements in, so you know it's pretty cool. Now for the next level up, I believe we're going to need, I think it's 7, but it might be 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, I don't need that one there. Now, as you can see, as this gets bigger, you are going to need a lot more diamonds, which is going to be fairly time consuming to get. But you can, as I said, use like iron or gold. I believe the effects are stronger when you use materials that are like rarer, so like diamond, for example. And also it looks pretty cool. So hit this in here. And you can see now we've got the strength one available. So I'm going to put that in here. Select strength. And boom. So now I've got strength. Wait for it to gen. Okay, cool now. And the last one, I think it's going to be 9 at the bottom. Let me just change the time. Oh yeah, cheats aren't available in this world. We're able to do it in the dark. So the next one's going to be 9. Okay. I'm going to break this here. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, 8, 9. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. Break that. Oops. Right, now we need to fill all of this in, like I said. Now, obviously, this is going to be very expensive. You're going to be needing 9 diamonds per block, and then you're going to need like a lot. How many are you going to need? 16 plus 5. Oh, there's a little thing there. Let's break that there. Just go. Okay, nice. I think you're going to be needing about 25 diamond blocks for this one. So it's a lot of diamond blocks, but it looks really cool. And if you've also modded the world, sort of like not cheated, but like done the method I've done, then you can get all your achievements and everything, but still be in creative mode. So that's pretty cool. So place these. Nearly done with this. Only got one more layer to go. And boom. Finally in here we can get... I think I may have actually done it not big enough. I think it needs one more layer to go bigger. I think maybe it needs, or it might need netherite. It's either going to need one more layer on netherite. Let me check. As you can see there, I just had a little notification that said that I've just got the Beaconator achievement, which is pretty cool because I've done this all in creative, so you can see that works. Okay, so I actually figured out the issue here. Well, the issue is that it's a secondary one, so you actually get 2. So this one you only get in 1, but this one you get 2, regeneration 2. So we select the first one. Let's say we want haste. We can go regeneration and haste at the same time. We put our block in here. So now we're gonna have haste and regeneration on here. So we're gonna be flipping super fast at digging. We're gonna have amazing jump. We're gonna have regeneration of our health and all that kind of stuff. But basically, those are the different sizes of beacons that you can create. And as I said, you can create it out of all of those different blocks. Now, something else I thought I'd show you while we're here, because it's a pretty cool feature, is this. So you can get any glass block. So let's say we want yellow. Oh, shift. Doesn't seem to be working on here. I'm not sure why. Usually if you place the block, like a yellow block above it. Yeah, there we go. So this one, it worked. I don't know why it didn't work with that one. See this, we've placed yellow above it, and that's made the thing glow yellow. If you wanted to, you could make some really cool contraption here. You could put a sticky piston on it, and it would make it go like in and out. So it'd go yellow and then not yellow, which would be really cool. If you put this in here like this, see, that's a nice color for it. You could put black if you wanted black. This just gives you a little bit more customization to your world, and they do look really, really cool. So I'd recommend giving that a go for your beacons. But yeah, this is how you sort of do it. Now, if you enjoyed this video and found it useful, then please comment down below that it was useful. And if you have any questions about what I did here, or want me to make another kind of video, make sure to comment them down below, and I'll respond to them, and also, you know, make another video or whatever. One last thing is, if you want to learn how to get achievements in your survival world but being on creative, like how to have this, you can see I've got this here. If you want to see how to do that, then watch the video on my channel. I've got a video about it. And other than that, just please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.